Well, hello, it's Mrs. Martinez, and today we are making a remix of famous paintings. With our painting, we're working in Google Drawing. I've already brought the painting into our Google Drawing document, and I'm going to add clip art and other images that I've used on Google search. We are not selling this, and we are not going to put it in an art show, so it is okay to make up a collage and test and use our skills for this project. Next step, after I bring my image in, I've resized it, I've cropped it to whatever I need to do, and it's in my Google Drawing. Now I am going to use the background deleter site. The site itself is called Remove BG is what we'll type in. I've brought in an image already. We're using an image from City Soda, and I just want to use their one City Soda photograph for my remix. So what I'm going to do is I've deleted the background, and now I need to go in and hand delete and erase certain parts of the image and the other bottles and syrups that I don't want in there. So that's what you see me doing right now. I'm going to fine tune it. I'm going to enlarge it. I'm going to make the brush size smaller or larger as needed. And then I'm going to download my image when I am all done. All right, looks good to me. Now I'm going to download the image as a free version, as a preview. That image is now in my downloads and back into my Google Drawing. Now I can start bringing in the image I just completed and the images I've pre-prepped for this demo. So as I bring them in, I'm going to click on the images, and I actually deleted backgrounds on these as well. My vision for this example is I'm going to give going to modernize this still life with some more modern a coffee and a dirty soda and some prepackaged fruit, and I'm going to rearrange those. So I'm going to crop the images, I'm going to resize the images, and I'm going to move them around to fit in this still life. In this case and in this remix, I'm going to put them right on top. And right here, you'll see me decide I don't like the background of the original painting. So I brought that original painting right into my delete. I deleted the background. I cropped it a little, resized it. And now I'm adding my own backgrounds to get the final remix I like. Have fun making this project.